Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Aldi Mahendra. I'm student at University of Serang Raya, study program Information System. Now I will tell you about how to use lift in UNSERA. This is the flowchart. First of all, when you have come to the spot where the lifts are, you must decide which floor you are going to, upstairs or downstairs, by pushing the correct direction button. Next, wait for the lift come. If you can see no room for you, let the lift door close and wait for the next coming. After that, if leave available space for you, allow person in the lift to go out. Then, you can get on a lift. Next, press the destination button. Finally, get off a lift when you reach your destination. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.